Hey, this is Steve from Flowmaster. I'm happy to introduce our new Delta Boost modules for the Ford EcoBoost motor applications. But please check our website for more details on the makes, models, and years that this will fit. Now, the Delta Boost module here is a simple plug-and-play action. It's going to basically increase the boost pressure in your motor. It's controlled by an app on your smartphone device. Now, in the app, you have 4 different mode settings. You have valet mode, you have standard mode, basically your stock setting. Then you have sport mode. It's going to increase it by 3 psi. And then you have max mode. It's going to increase by 4 psi. We recommend that you run 91 octane when you're running in max mode. Now here at Flowmaster, we dyno-proof all of our Delta Boost modules. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn up the boost on these Ford EcoBoost motors. Okay, we're in the shop. We got a 2011 Ford F-150 here with a 3.5 liter EcoBoost, and we're going to show you how easy it is to install one of these Delta Boost modules. Okay, so first we need to locate our sensor. The sensor's right here on the intake tube going into the throttle body. Now there's a little tab here on the sensor plug. So you're going to push down that tab and unplug it. And once it's unplugged, you're going to take the female connector from that and you're going to plug it into the male connector on the Delta Boost module. Make sure it's snapped into place. Now we're going to have the female connector off the Delta Boost module, and now we're going to connect it into the sensor. Make sure you hear this click into place also. Okay, now next with the supplied zip tie, we're going to go ahead and run the zip tie on the back side of this Delta Boost module through this little hole right here, and we're going to safely secure it down. Okay, we got this Delta Boost module secured down. Make sure you place it in a safe location. Okay, that concludes our installation here on the Delta Boost module for the Ford EcoBoost 3.5 liter. Installation time is roughly 10 minutes. Now, if you do not have a smartphone device to get to the Delta Boost module app, the Delta Boost module comes pre-installed with the sport mode. That's going to give you 3 psi overstock. For more detailed information and a how-to video on how the app works, be sure to go onto the Flowmaster website. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.